So we're at Google I/O, and here we have Paul Berry with us from Huffington Post. And Paul, I'd like you to tell us a little bit about the Friend Connect integration you did on Huffington Post and that you demoed at your session yesterday.
Great. So it's something that we've managed to put live in a lot of traffic, and it's getting great feedback from users, and it's statistically it's been a big hit. It's kind of off the chart with the page views that it's generating, and the concept is that we always had these slideshows that were really catchy and really well done, and it was a perfect opportunity to let users get involved and make it social, so that they could share it out to their activity stream, they can invite their friends, they can send it to Facebook, and the integration with Friend Connect was really pretty straightforward for us. It falls right into our model of making sure that they can become HuffPost users without ever signing up to HuffPost, but just logging in, and so we're seeing a lot of people every day sign in and create accounts using Friend Connect, and also take their accounts that they had before as HuffPost users and say, oh, awesome, I can connect that to my Friend Connect. So it's been really exciting, and I think a really key thing for us was a couple pieces of it was to show, one, on the users, how are they voting, so that they're part of that slideshow, and it's not just the slideshow and the caption and the title we chose as editors, but here's the community, and you see them stacking up, and you see how they're rating things, and then even further, that they can rearrange the order and make their own top 5 and send that out.
So each user has their own URL for their own slideshow that they can share with their friends? Yeah,
exactly. So that's a key thing, is that whenever it will go out to the world, that when they're sharing it, they're not just sharing the slideshow, they're sharing their version of the slideshow, and that process encourages the friends they invited to also do theirs as well.
From a technical perspective, how did you do that? Are you using the Friend Connect JavaScript API or the REST API on the server side?
So actually we're using both, and it's we have a really flexible CMS, and with it being largely done in PHP on the front end side, it was really easy to integrate with the REST API. And then at the same time, there's some perfect places to make those JS calls. And between that both, it's like scalable for us and efficient, and yet at the same time really totally customized. So it's not like an extra added weird plugin on the side. It's part of Huffington Post, totally integrated.
That's what I loved in the demo you gave the other day. It's like completely integrated. It's really a deep integration in your site of the social layer.
Yeah. So I think that's what's really interesting, is that for small publishers, you guys are able to make it as easy as, hey, I can do a 5-minute thing. But at the same time, for larger publishers with high traffic, we can do more, and pull off a crazy couple of weeks. And special thanks to Sergey Glezerin, who pulled off an incredible amount of code for this, and integration. And it was really rewarding for him too, as he went through the code and worked through it. So, it's kind of the early days of social for everyone and for Friend Connect, and it's so clear that this has legs.
Hey, thanks very much, Paul. That's great.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you.